kapatid. Oo, literal na team. Sabihan natin, ma'am. Pwede tayo magbalik-balik.
Bread ang fresh po.
Ah? Oh, really? Thank you so much. Max, ginamihan ko na.
Pero kaya lang natin busin friend, may bayad yung leftover.
Ay, tapos, ganun ba? Ito lang.
Ayan o.
Masarap to. Ay, plato ko pala. Yan. So guys, tignan natin. Long way. Ito pala siya guys.
Long friend.
Laki. So mga
Okay na yan.
kaya na
Kaya
tayo.
ulit.
Tatlo. Ay,
Okay na natin ako.
ganyan na lang. Tapos, duck daw to ma'am. Duck. Ano to? Ito pa ma'am.
I-try na kuha ng konti lang. Tikman lang natin.
Sige, wait lang. Hindi ko pa tayo na. Hello guys.
Ito po.
Inside. Ay, ito ma'am. Sumar. Ito, okay.
Ah, okay po. Okay na. Para ito ngayon masarap rin. Dapat talaga dinamihan natin. Dapat talaga dinamihan natin.
Hi guys, kuha tayo na coffee jelly. Pag ito magkakape pa tayo. Hindi ko na lang isa ko.
Hindi ko maubos.
Ha? Kaya mo yan ma'am.
Na. Para kita, ma'am.
She ain't got no money, her clothes are kind of funny, her hair is kind of wild and free. Oh, but love flows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. She talks kind of lazy, and people say she's crazy, and her life's a mystery. Oh, but love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. There's something about her head on her mind. It's a feeling that's fine, and I just gotta say, hey, she's really got a magical spell. We laugh beneath the summer blue. Our stories feel like something new. The world stands still when I'm with you. A moment pure, a dream come true. No need to chase too